School's out, school's out, yay!
Hi there. What are you so excited about?
Hi, I'm Elaine. I'm excited because school's out for the summer. What's your name?
My name is Megan. I like school. I'm going to miss all my friends.
I like school too, but I get such great plans for the summer. I'm going to sleep late, watch cartoons, read, and have fun. I've been thinking about all kinds of places to go.
I know.
You know what?
I know a place to go that has cartoons, stuff to read, and have fun.
Here I am to save the day. Who are you? I'm a superhero. I have arrived in the nick of time to rescue you. We don't need to be rescued, but I heard someone crying.
I was sad because I will miss my friends from school.
But I like summer. I'm going to have fun. Megan was going to tell me a place that has cartoons, stuff to read, and to have fun.
Yeah, there is this great place we can go.
I can fly through the sky.
I was talking about the Rowlett Public Library. Want to come with me?
What is there to do there?
Every summer, they have a summer reading program. You can read for prizes and even get a certificate.
Oh boy, I love to read.
And they have all kinds of fun activities.
Wow, like what?
There'll be free programs each Tuesday. Actors, storytellers, puppeteers, critters, police dogs, musicians, and even a magician. Each Thursday, there'll be a movie with free popcorn. The best part of all Superhero is this year summer reading program's theme is Every Hero Has a Story.
Every hero has a story. Oh boy, I like that. Let me take you there. We can walk.
Thanks, Superhero. You're a really neat guy.
Even if you cannot fly. Great. Let's all go there now and register for the Summer Reading Club. And I know a good book at the library. It's called Send for a Superhero. I'll read to you and your friends when we get there. Yay!